Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. In this video, I will gonna show you how to set your Instagram account to private, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to set your Instagram account to private, the first step is to go and open your Instagram app. After you've opened your Instagram, next go to your profile. After going into your profile, now go and tap this. Then tap Settings and Privacy. After tapping it, go and scroll down until you find Account Privacy. And once you've found it, just go and tap it. And after that, you can now turn your account to private by turning this on. Just go and tap this to turn it on. And for the last step, tap Switch to Private. And after you turned it on, your job is finished. Your account will automatically be set into private. Let me show it to you using my other account. I will switch to my other account and see if this account really turned into private. And there you go, as you can see, the account is now on private. And so that's just how you do it guys, it's easy right? Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today, I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.